Tiniyak ni Pangulong Aquino ang matatag na Pilipinas sa pagharap sa mga kasalukuyang hamon sa mundo sa tradisyonal na Vendonneur na ginanap sa Iloilo Old Provincial Capital. Sinabi ng Pangulo na sa kabila po ng malalaking hamon ng hinaharap ng bansa ay patuloy ang pakikiisa nito sa pagtugon sa pandaigdigang problema. Ang Vendonneur ay bahagi po ng pagdiriwang ng ika-117 anibersaryo ng Araw ng Kalayaan ng Pangulo na patunayan na ang kahandaan at katatagan ng mga Pilipino sa epekto ng Bagyong Haiyan, kung saan matapos ang pinsala ay nagsumikap ang mga nasalanta para makabalik sa normal na pamumuhay. Dagdag pa ng Pangulo, sa kasalukuyan patuloy na umaalis ang Pilipinas sa bangungot ng korupsyon at katiwalian.
Today, the details and the phases of challenges may be different. Natural and man-made calamities, corruption, and poverty. Still, the Filipino people stand firm. They have demonstrated time and again that they have inherited the skill, the talent, and the wisdom of their ancestors. They have proven themselves ready for what is right, be it in waging a revolution against colonizers, in peacefully regaining democracy after a dictatorship, or in helping me undertake the positive transformation of society to which we are all witness. There are the vast budget increases for social welfare, health, and education since we took office in 2010, all of which redound to greater investments into the Filipino people. There are our economic achievements, the record high $6 billion of net foreign direct investment the Philippines received last year, or the fact that in 2013, all major credit ratings agencies have named us and kept us at investment grade status, just to name a couple of examples. You saw it in the Filipino people, even with a disaster as massive as Typhoon Haiyan. You can see it in the sustained confidence and optimism that all of us have for the future of the Philippines.